Namaste and welcome to day 18 of Start Now. Well, in yesterday's practice, we were trying to dwell into the world of patience and trying to find that mental strength in trying to hold position that might be easy for some of you and might be challenging for some of you. But the idea to be there in stillness is what becomes the challenge. Yes, and I'm grateful that you guys are still here with me, and I'm also very amazed by all of you being so consistent for yourself. So do give yourself a good round of applause and do compliment yourself. You do not have to wait for the world to compliment you. You should be the one encouraging and complimenting yourself. Yes, in today's practice, we will try to hold postures again, but towards the strength side. Yes, the idea is to be able to hold it using all the engagement in your muscles and then try to see if you can hang in there. Yes? Alright. With that, let's get into a comfortable seat. Just relax your breath. Inhale. Open your mouth to exhale. Inhale from your nostrils. Open your mouth to exhale. Inhale from the nose. Open from your mouth. Let's observe your upper torso. Upper torso should be above your hips. Lean it slightly back if needed. Join your palms at heart center. Let's chant 3 sounds of Om. Inhale. Have a simple intention for this beautiful day that you have ahead of you. Have gentle intention for this class, for this practice. And once you're clear with it, gently relax your hands. Keep your right hand on your chest, left hand on your navel. Let's go for yogic breathing, expanding through the belly, chest, upper chest. Exhale, upper chest, chest, belly. Inhale, belly, chest, upper chest, breathing 360 degree. Exhale, upper chest, chest, belly. Continue this breath. Gently relax your hands back on your lap. From there, slowly open your eyes. Beautiful. From here, let's come into all fours position. Tabletop. Okay. Here, the agenda is to hold position in the same manner we did yesterday, but the idea is to keep engagement in your body. So remember that. Check your wrists and shoulders in one line, hips and knees in one line. Curl your toes and engage your fingertips to slowly lift up the knees just 1 centimeter off the floor. keeping your core active, holding it, breathing, finding stillness, believing in yourself, and believing in this process. And slowly release. One more time, slowly engage and lift up. Hang in there, stay there. Keep your neck ahead, alive, spine alive, fingertips alive, and relax. One last time, inhale, engage and lift up. And slowly release. Beautiful. From here, slowly take your shoulders ahead, circle it to the right, back and left, warming up those wrists. Yes. Keep the weight on your fingertips. Keep going. And reverse. Enjoy it. And slowly push back into downward dog. Try to press into this place. Engage the fingertips, engage your foot, and try to press every corner of your foot down. Look at your navel and breathe. From here, slowly come into plank position. Keep your weight slightly ahead. Take your heels slightly ahead. Weight on your toes and the fingertips. Shoulder blades away from each other. Push it away from the floor. Push yourself away from the floor and stay there. Slowly step the right leg ahead between the palms and get your hands on the waist. Lift your body up. Lower your lunge and try to hold this position, keeping your hips and knees in one line, shoulders roll back, tuck the tailbone in, try to extend the back leg a little bit. Look ahead, one focus point and breathe. Hang in there, you're doing lovely. Believe in yourself. Build that mental resilience. And do this for yourself. Very good. Keep the weight in center. Slowly lower your hands down. Very nice, and plank going into chaturanga. Slowly lower yourself, with or without the knee. Roll your shoulders back. Lift up. Exhale. Downward dog. From your left hand ahead between the palms. Body up. Hands on the waist. And stay. Look ahead, find your focus point, and believe in yourself. Lower your hips in line with your knees. as much as you can. Press the whole feet down. Tuck the navel in slightly. Shoulders relax. And breathe. You're doing lovely. Don't forget, this is for you. This practice is completely for you, so don't give up on yourself so easily. You are way stronger than you think. Give yourself the opportunity. Don't give up before you try. And slowly lower the hands down. Come into plank. With or without the knee, lower yourself down. Slowly lift up. From here, drop your navel down. Take your hands back in the air. And from here, lift up your legs. Hold it. Hang in there. Keep lifting. Shalabhasana. You're doing lovely. Stay there. Slowly release yourself down and rest. From here, slowly push back into downward facing dog again. From here, just lift your heel up and then drop the heels down. One more time, lift the heel up and drop the heels down. Try to press the heel, lift the heel up and drop the heel down. Step both the leg ahead between your palms. Bend the knees and lift up your arm in Utkatasana, chair pose. Yes, stay there and look up between your palms. Breathe. Believe in yourself. Almost there, you're doing lovely. Just breathe. Hang in there, don't give up. Come on. And stand up. This is lovely. Stand still, keep your eyes closed and just breathe. From here, slowly sit down. Straighten your legs in front of you. Lift up your chest. And then slowly walk your hands ahead, keeping your chest lifted up. Feel free to bend your knees to be able to do this. Lift up higher with the chest. Walk your hands ahead and breathe. Slowly lower your head down. Release the spine, release the elbow. Take your chin to chest to slowly roll up and just lie down. Release yourself down on the mat. Allow yourself to rest. Surrender each and every corner of your body. Just like holding other posture gave you patience, this posture demands extreme amount of patience, and this practice is harder than any other practice. The practice of surrendering and letting go, practice of being still and unbothered. Challenge yourself with this practice of staying here and just releasing every inch of your body to the Mother Earth. I'll leave you here and I will see you tomorrow.